you are going to see a 96 by 125-inch container loading and unloading operation. The first thing to do is to lower the manual door sill latches to power the system and to prevent inadvertent cargo door operation. Before loading the cargo units, the cargo compartment has to be prepared. Then lower both retractable XY guides. All other latches must be clear out of the way. Open the control panel access door and set the power switch to on. Move the container onto the ball mat area. On the door sill, the overridable door sill latches are overridden. Move the joystick to the in position. The lateral power drive units run. The overridable door sill latches rise. When the container contacts the side guides, then set the Y guide switch to the forward position. And, at the same time, move the joystick to the forward position. The longitudinal movement starts. Hold the Y guide switch in the forward position until the container is clear of the Y guides. The container is guided by the side guides. When the container is in position, release the joystick and manually lock the container by raising the container latches. Before loading the last container, raise the latches. They will be used as stops for the container. Place the last container in the cargo compartment. When the last container is in position, secure it by raising the manual door sill latches. Lastly, set the power switch to off and close the access door. Unlock the first container by lowering the manual door sill latches. Open the control panel access door and set the power switch to on. Move the sill lock handle down and set the joystick to the out position. The overridable door sill latches lower. The container leaves the cargo compartment. When the container is clear of the door sill, the sill lock handle automatically returns to the up position. Manually unlock the next container to be unloaded. Select aft with the joystick. The longitudinal movement starts. For the unloading operation, the electrical Y guides are overridable and lower when the container is moved. When the container is clear of the electrical Y guides rise due to spring load. Move the sill lock handle down. The overridable door sill latches are lowered. Set the joystick to the out position. The lateral movement starts. When the operation is finished, set the manual door sill latches to up. The last thing to do is to switch off the system and close the access door.